Chef here. So it was a rough weekend. There was a lot of drinking, partying. It was crazy. Time for a quick detox shake. So you watch other videos and they're using cider vinegar. The brand doesn't matter a bit. It's all made from apples. All right, first thing, clean vessel, 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar, 1 cup cold water, fresh fruit, whatever you got. Got a pear right here. Okay, I like it a little sweet. Maraschino cherry. Drop them in. Let's put 2. Okay. Fresh kale. You gotta have some kale for detox. What else we got here? Fresh basil. Just a little bit. Not too much, huh? Okay. 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. And secret ingredient right here, pure Madagascar vanilla beans. Just a pinch. Okay, we're gonna blend it up. And that right there is a perfect detox smoothie. I'm gonna guzzle it right up, and all of these ingredients, especially the cider vinegar, are gonna help cleanse me and clean me out. Wow! Try the recipe. Like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a great day. Please don't drink too much alcohol.